This is my beautiful client Ashley, and today I'm going to be giving her a bronzed glowy look. So I'm starting off with the Confidence Cream from IT Cosmetics. Then I'm using the color Taupe in her brows, and I am just doing some really light hair strokes. You always want to prep your eyelids with some concealer to even everything out. And then of course we have to set. This is one of my favorite palettes from BH Cosmetics, and I am just taking the lightest shade and putting that right into her crease. I call this a window washer motion, goes back and forth, back and forth. I took a little bit of the shade Coconut and just put that in her outer corners. Then I took the shade Wakiki and I just put that in her outer corners as well. And one of the light shimmery shades just right on her eyelid. To prep for lashes, I'm putting a little bit of eyeliner and then placing the lashes on top. When I have the lashes on and they're just drying, I like to go back over and just kind of emphasize everything a little bit more. Then I go back over with a little bit more eyeliner. And this is one of my favorite mascaras from Una Beauty. For foundation, I'm taking the shade NC5 from MAC in Studio Fix and my 170 brush, and I'm just pushing that all into her face. This is the color Swan in the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. So I just got this Dior palette and I'm literally obsessed. I've been using it for eyeshadow, highlight, everything, and it is well worth its weight in gold. For contour, I'm using the Airbrush bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just doing a very soft bronze. Because she's more on the pale side, I don't want to play up that bronzed too much. So after blush, I'm going back in with that Dior palette in the lightest color, and I'm just highlighting all the areas of her face. Then a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. So redheads can be really tricky to do makeup on. I'm sure there are a lot of redheads out there who have had really bad experiences getting their makeup done. So one tip is to stick with warm tones, and less is usually more. Thanks for watching.